Welcome to Writers ER, your go-to hub for all things related to dissertations and thesis research. Today we're unpacking an essential topic for every doctoral student, all but dissertation, transforming research in the digital age. Whether you're wrestling with research methods or battling data analysis, this video is designed to help you navigate the complex world of digital research. It will give you the confidence and skills to complete your academic journey successfully. Picture this, you're deep into your doctorate, surrounded by a sea of research papers, but your dissertation, the finish line, seems like a distant dream. Enter the digital age, a blessing and a curse. It offers endless resources at your fingertips, but it can also drown you in information. Let's simplify this and turn this challenge into your secret weapon. Navigating the maze of digital tools is crucial. From advanced data analysis tools like SPSS and NVivo to reference management software like Zotero and EndNote, the digital world offers options to streamline your research process. Don't forget about online libraries and databases. Platforms like JSTOR, PubMed, and Google Scholar are treasure troves of academic papers, journals, and books, just a click away. Staying organized is the secret to not getting lost in the data deluge. Create a digital workspace using tools like Trello or Evernote. These platforms help you sort your research, set deadlines, and track your progress. Plus, cloud storage services like Dropbox or Google Drive ensure your research is always within reach, protecting it from unexpected computer crashes or data losses. Thanks for tuning in to Writers ER. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and insights on dissertation and thesis research. Remember, you're not alone. Online communities and networks are priceless resources. Sites like ResearchGate and academia.edu aren't just for finding research papers, they're also for connecting with other researchers, academics, and experts worldwide. Join discussions, get feedback, and share ideas. Collaboration and networking can lead to new insights and opportunities. In the digital age, ethical and legal considerations in research are more important than ever. Be mindful of intellectual property rights and data privacy. Get to grips with copyright laws, fair use, and open access publications. Make sure your research meets the highest ethical standards, protecting your reputation and your work. Despite its benefits, digital research can feel overwhelming. It's easy to feel alone or hit a stumbling block. This is when you need to use digital tools for self-care and motivation. Apps like Headspace for meditation or Forest for focused work sessions can be game changers. Join online support groups, take part in webinars, and remember, every small step brings you closer to your goal. Starting your dissertation in the digital age is like steering a ship in unknown waters. The trick is to use digital tools wisely, stay organized, engage with the academic community, uphold ethical standards, and keep your motivation high. Remember, when used correctly, the power of the digital age can turn your research journey from daunting to exciting. Thanks for tuning in to Writers ER. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and insights on dissertation and thesis research. Stay curious, stay inspired, and let's master the world of academic research together.